Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Like, comment, share this video. Today I will show you how to crochet a flower. For this tutorial here I am using a blue color of yarn, 4mm of crochet hook and also a scissors. This is the beginner friendly tutorial, so let's get started and make it. Hold yarn like this in fingers. You see clearly how I hold this. Only in two fingers, just hold yarn like this. Next we're gonna make the slip knot. Here I'm using 4mm of crochet hook. Just insert your hook, wrap yarn around your finger like this, hold it with your thumb. Here you see we have a loop. Insert your hook into the loop, yarn over and just pull it. Here is my first loop. Next we're gonna make chain on this loop. Here we're gonna make the total of 4 chains. Just yarn over, pull it through the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop. Here my 3 chains complete. Make one more, just yarn over, pull it through the loop. Next we're gonna make double crochet stitch into the first chain. Just yarn over, insert a hook into the first chain, pull the yarn. Here we have 3 loops on hook, yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it 2 loops. Next we're gonna make repeat same pattern, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop like this. Here you see my 2 double crochet in first chain is ready. After 2 double crochet we're gonna make chain 2 on top. Just yarn over, pull it through the loop and then slip stitch into the same chain below. For making slip stitch, insert your hook and pull the yarn twice like this. Here my first flower petal is ready. For the next petal we're gonna make 3 chain, yarn over, pull it through the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop like this. Again make 2 double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. Make one more, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. Here my 2 double crochet petal is ready. After 2 double crochet make 2 chain on top and then again slip stitch into the same chain below. Insert your hook, pull the yarn twice. My second petal is ready. Make 2 more petal with same pattern. First we're gonna make 3 chain on top for the next petal. Then 2 double crochet into the same chain, 1 and 2. After 2 double crochet stitches, next we're gonna make 2 chain on top and then slip stitch into the same chain below like here. Here my third petal is ready. Make same pattern and make one more petal into the same chain below. Insert your hook into the loop, make 3 chain for the fourth petal, 2 double crochet into the same chain below, here is my first double crochet, make one more like this. My 2 double crochet ready. In the last we're gonna make 2 chain on top for making slip stitch, just 2 chain and then slip stitch into the same chain below like here. Insert your hook, pull yarn twice. After making the last slip stitch we're gonna make chain 1 for making the lock and pull the yarn over and just cut it with your scissors like this. Now pull the leftover yarn and secure your work in the end. Pull it tightly and secure your work. My flower is almost ready. Next we're gonna hide the leftover yarn and make your flower neat and clean. The flower is ready. You see clearly how look it is. Let me know in the comment. Next we're gonna hide the leftover yarn inside the stitches. This is the leftover yarn, we're gonna hide it. Just insert your hook and pull the leftover yarn inside the stitches. Here I make the back side. Insert your hook into the back side of the stitches and pull the leftover yarn like inside the stitches. I will show you clearly in this video. Don't forget any part of the video for making any mistake. If you need any question about this tutorial, let me know in the comment. I will answer you. Just pull the leftover yarn inside the stitches. Here is my complete look. You see clearly how look it is. It look beautiful and neat. This is the beginner flower tutorial. very easy and very cute. You can make them for button take and also for earrings. So if you like this tutorial, like, comment and share, and also subscribe my YouTube channel for more crochet ideas. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.